GLC. Like and subscribe to the limits. You can get some of these viewers to come and buy something. All right, ready?
Let's do it.
Think we're recording. Looks like we are. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on To The Limits, of course. I got the perfect salesman over here. Yes. What's your name? Tell them.
Phil. My name is Phil.
At SJ, it's called SJL, right?
Prominence Motors.
Prominence Motors, okay? We're going for a test drive on the F80 M3. In the last video, I just told you guys, I'm looking at the F80 M3 because everybody's telling me to go BMW. So, let me make sure my seat is good. Everybody is telling me to go BMW. Do you like BMWs?
I do like BMWs, absolutely.
You just saying that you want me to buy it? Come off the clutch, wind it down a little bit so we can hear those intakes. Fix my seat a little bit more. All right, very good. Hopefully we don't scrape because I saw that it was lowered.
Yeah, right here is a little bit of a dip, so be careful.
All right, and then we go make a U-turn and go down. So you said you've been in it before, right? Yeah. Okay, so is it fast? Because everybody's saying it's fast.
It's fast.
Everybody's been saying, oh, it's fast, it's fast, it's fast. The guy, he literally told me, take it on a test drive and push it. I was like, okay. He said, make sure you step in it. Ooh, those intakes sound so good. We're not gonna push it yet. Let it warm up a little bit. I like the little burbles too. The intake sounds sick. I haven't driven manual in over a year. How am I doing?
You said it's been about a year?
Yeah, since I've driven stick. Damn, the truck just blocked us. At least we can hear the intake. I just love that intake sound. You hear it sucking in the air. Alright, let's go past him. Oh my gosh, it's touchy. I'll make a U-turn and then we'll go over the bridge. I like the burbles. I might be childish, but I like the burbles. What do you think about them?
Love it.
I like the burbles a lot. What car you drive?
I drive an Audi A3.
That's like the same size as this, right?
Yeah, smaller car.
Because I'm used to the bigger stuff like the Hellcat. Alright, I'm on Florida, okay? Damn, it felt good and it gripped and took off. You might need to buy an F80. I told you guys in the last video, man, like it's either an F80 or an M5. I love the sound. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. Oh my gosh, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. We'll just go over the bridge and then we'll make a U-turn and come back. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think we have to go F80. Oh my, driving the stick shift feels just so nice. You know what I'm saying? Going through the gears. I like it, guys. I like it. This or M5? Which one did you choose?
M3.
M3?
Yeah.
Okay. I always said it, the M3 is my favorite BMW. That's until I drove the M8. But having stick shift, coming off the clutch, I love the intake sounds. It sounds so sick. We live in Florida, so we gotta do heads up driving. Oh, that's it. I meant Mexico, not Florida. Alright, find a spot to make a U-turn. Oh my gosh. I just like the sound. Guys, I haven't been in a cool car in a little bit. Where can we make a U-turn? Oh, we gotta go all the way down there and make a U-turn? Damn, all of these signs are saying no U-turn. Well, listen to the F80. Indicators are a little bit weird to get used to. It's like you push it down, it pushes down a little bit, like so, and then you gotta push it down again to stop it. Alright guys, let's bring it back. I think I really like it. I really like it. I can't see, so I can't go. I just want to get a feel of the transmission, you know? Because when I drove the M2 like a few years back, it didn't feel like that good, but this feels good. Don't come over. Okay, it feels nice. And the fact that I'm getting all the shifts so nice and neat, it's an easy car to drive. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. The pops! Oh my gosh. I like it. You like it?
I love it. Sent me back a couple times.
I just should have an M car, right? Wow. What are they doing? I just love the burbles. We're gonna make this turn, right?
Yeah.
Damn! It sounds so good! When I come out the car, I'll let you guys see it from outside. Pull in a bottle. It turns nice. No, I gotta pass it. Yep, I like it. I like it. Oh, he's gonna pull out. And then press the brakes. Damn. Let me know what you guys think about the F80. I like it. There. Wait, it doesn't have a backup camera? Oh, we were good. Gotta take precautions because it's not mine's yet. Wait. There we go. Can you do me a favor? I want you to come around here and rev it for me, okay?
Okay.
I want to hear from the front and the back. All right. And it's in neutral, so you don't have to worry. Just press the gas. Let's hear it from outside, guys. Let me hear it from the front first, and then I'll go around the back. Damn, it's so low. Oh my god. Oh my. I like it. One last time. F80 M3, folks. We're in the F80. AC cooler, please. And they gave it to me by myself. Look at F80. Okay, GLC, I'm stopping right here.